Hey sebarang, what's over there? Good morning, Assalamualaikum. We are in front of our hotel lobby, and today is our trip day. It's our road trip, train ride day. We are going to Yay! So, we are.
I see itinerary orang terbalik tau. People go to Guangzhou then come to Shenzhen. Kita Shenzhen pergi Guangzhou. Macam mana?
So we are waiting for our TT. It will take around 12 minutes to come here. Our train ride is at 9. Now is 8.
Now time check is 8.
Hopefully we can make it lah, because we need to redeem ticket semua. So insyaAllah. See you there. Our TT is here. That's our ride.
Okay, sekarang kita berada di dalam nak pergi ke railway. Dalam tak ni Tesla.
Pernah ke?
Ha?
Pernah.
Pernah. Asal? Tak komen.
Oh.
Oh, maybe tak kot.
Bagusnya highway dia ada tempat motor tu. Okay. So now, the one who are entering are those for. So later we'll queue up there. Yeah. So we are at platform 6, gate 6 dia tulis dekat dalam tiket. You?
We are at coach 8.
And we are at coach 8. So dekat hujung sekali.
So second class is 3-seater.
The second class is 3-seater. You nampak?
3 plus 2.
3 plus 2.
Kalau
Ni business.
first class,
Ha.
2
Ni.
plus 2.
Ni coach 3. So if business class is bukan 3 plus 2 lah. Dia 2 plus 2. So you have a wider seat
Macam ETS.
and more privacy lah. And the seat is like ETS train in Malaysia punya. The one we take to the north, and now dah ada from JB to KL. Time check now is 8:52. So dia open gate dalam 15 minutes before je. So we kena jalan laju-laju lah. Wow, ni apa? Oh ni pantry, the pantry. Buat makan. Kita jalan laju guys. So tak tahu memang duduk sini kena jalan laju kot. So this one is coach 8. Coach 7. Ni dia boleh bersambung je dengan coach 8. Coach 7. Next is coach 8 lah. Macam ni lah. Different dia dengan first class. So first class tak sempit lah. Kalau 3 orang tu macam sempit. Terus kejap hotpot ni. Two ones.
Oh, we are at 1C and 1D.
1C, 1D.
Okay, you.
Tak sebelah-sebelah. I dah pilih sebelah-sebelah.
Yelah, 1C, 1D sebelah-sebelah lah. Yalah, 1C, 1D lah.
I pilih satu window, satu aisle. Aisle?
Yalah, 1C, 1D. Dua-dua aisle tadi.
Okay. This is the seat. Alhamdulillah, we have settled down. Apa? Okay, the way is like this. You buy ticket from trip.com, then you can choose your seat, but they cannot promise you that you will get the seat. After that, you will get a confirmation email and ticket by online. Dia memang tak ada physical ticket lah. And then masa tu you baru tahu your seat. Okay, when you know your seat, then you know lah whether you can sit together or not. In our case, we are not sitting together. So nasib baik uncle ni, he is with his friends willing to change with us. See, dia dah jalan so fast.
So you press the metal in the good. Selalu plastik kan. So you press the button. Ada the instruction. Keras tapi yang macam dia tak boleh tak boleh. Tengok ke sebelah tu tekan kuat-kuat. Itu dia. The train move off on time.
When it's like this, it looks like Japan. Don't you think so?
跟呢架車冇塵㗎，一到㗎。
Okay guys, somebody managed to must insert and link his memory card. Malam tadi try macam apa tak boleh. We slept like pukul 2, 3.
The whole thing was that the memory card I inserted when the camera wasn't fully charged. So now the camera is really fully
Ada
charged.
cakap dengan you semalam. Oh, I tak cakap satu point tu
Yeah.
No?
So now,
Semalam the camera wasn't fully charged. So now the camera is fully charged. Baru dia boleh connect.
yeah, awesome.
Okay, after this you will see us with
Over
that
here.
camera. But the mic tak try.
Mat tak tahu, so kita tak tahu whether we can be heard or not. Yeah. See.
beratur.
Gila. Close.
Tengok sebesar-besar lah. Hi guys, so we are at Swamoy Mall here. This high-end fashion mall. Wow, macam Uniqlo tau. High-end fashion mall. local brands. Yang banyak local brands lah. And cantik lah finishing ni semua. Dia punya seluar baju dia cantik finishing dia.
Street food ni. Gila ni. Drive thru and order boleh? Tiba. Kau tengok dia buat dumpling on the spot. Fresh.
Sini banyak halal eh.
Ha.
Ni kebab mak.
Kuangcu banyak. Braised meat bun. Dia kasi makan duduk kat situ sekali.
Kau saya boleh luggage tu.
Kau tolak.
Kedai kecil macam ni mesti sedap. That's our theory. Okay.
Begini kita hidup.
You want to MI?
Apa?
Okay, tak apa.
Okay guys, kita dah sampai di Hui People Restaurant. Nama dia Hui Min Restaurant. So time check is right now 1:45. Kita order about 2 minutes ago. So kita tengok pukul berapa makanan sampai. So kita dah diberi teh. Ipok dia cantik pula. Terima kasih. So tadi awak sudah lihat demonstrasi untuk mencuci dengan menggunakan teh. Diorang dah angkat tu bowl. So tak payah tanya mana bowl tu So sekarang kita tengah tunggu makanan je lah. Sebab kita naik sini, kita nampak entrance dia ada Chinchin. Maksudnya halal. So ya, kat sini pun boleh je lah nampak orang-orang Cina juga, at the same time orang-orang Hui people. Orang Cina Muslim kat sini banyak datang daripada the Hui clan.
Today is dim sum day. So kita ada 3 dish. Sebab portion dia besar. One dim sum is like half of your palm punya size. Later you will see.
Ya, kita pun makan tak order apa like any heavy stuff. We just order meatball, steam meatball, dim sum, sayur dengan apa lagi satu? Fried dumpling, right? Yeah. And kita minum teh. Cha. Okay. Time check is 1:51. That is like berapa tadi? 6-7 minutes or so. Less than 10 minutes. Makanan dah sampai. So kita nak try. Tengok dia punya dumpling. Gemuk-gemuk macam golf ball. Then we have mushroom. Then we are waiting for another 2 more dishes. Will come soon. 3/4 sampai. Lagi satu je. Only dia je lah perangai Melayu. Chili sauce ya. I think they give tomato sauce. So yeah. So kita dapat mushroom. We order mushroom. Mushroom goreng tepung. So we're fascinated that it tastes quite familiar. Dia punya tepung tu sedap. Rupanya ada salted egg. That's why it tastes so familiar. Then kita dapat dumpling. You see this dumpling here? It's so huge. It's like, that's the size of a golf ball, right? This is like 3/4 of the golf ball. So can you imagine how many udang kat dalam tu? I already ate one just now. 3 shrimp. Okay. You all must know that kalau dalam Melayu, orang Melayu cakap udang semua sama jenis. Tapi kalau Mak Saleh, dia ada prawn, ada shrimp. So kat dalam ni dia ada 3 shrimp. Means dia tak sebesar prawn. Shrimp tu tak sebesar prawn. Tapi dia tak sebesar apanya. Tapi shrimp tu tak sebesar prawn. So dia kecil sikit daripada prawn. Maybe about half the size of a prawn. So dia letak 3 dalam. Can you imagine one dim sum tu ada 3 shrimp dalam? Oh, penuh. I yet to try that dumpling over there. There's dalam ada chicken and leg. So nak habiskan prawn I dulu, okay? Prawn pula. Nak shrimp I habiskan dulu. Okay. Sedap. Sangat memuaskan. Artis ke? Sampai lambai diorang. Oh, faham. Okay. Okay, I give up. Tak tahu macam mana nak angkat. Oh, pecut lah kau. Kan? Benda tu terbang. Okay. So berwaspadalah. Saya saja je budak tu jalan-jalan. Dia jerit ke dia batuk?
Batuk, sorry. Nampak tak betapa bisingnya sampai
Ya.
saya rasa macam dia batuk berjerit.
Okay, bismillah. Penuh gila ya punya dumpling. Sedap. Sedap sekali. Kita cuba dia punya. Kalau untuk jual lah, untuk jual saya cuba ini. Ini sejenis mushroom lah. We don't normally see this kind of mushroom, right? Dip. Kalau yang suka dip. That was my first time dipping. But I like it plain like that. Sedap. Very tasty. Engkau kita makan berdua je. Kalau benda-benda ni semua kalau kita order kat this kind of restaurant, their portion is huge. So can you imagine if let's say you ambil one nasi goreng and 3 hangkau, tengok dia punya beef ball satu dah sampai. Besar gila. Sedap. Dia nak nampak beef ball, okay, I give up lah nak angkat pakai chopstick, I cocok je. Tengok beef ball dia. Panas-panas berasap baru keluar. Tapi kita tak makan dululah. Kita tunggu je dulu, okay? Bismillah, kita cuba bismillah. Rasa the homemade dia. Dia macam daging kisar dia campur dengan starch ke apa benda untuk macam buat into a fish ball. Dia buat sendiri. Lepas tu dia rebus dia. Dah. Jadi lah. You punya meatball. You expect it to be like meaty, tak? Dia ya. Dia style apa ni? Ni more like a smooth fish ball punya. Itulah dia punya batuk tu macam burung. But ya, sedap. So kalau dish tu datang besar-besar lah. So kita ni pun besar juga ni, banyak juga kan. So we had like, I think this is like their finger food. So yeah, okay, we'll join you later. Okay, jemput makan. Bismillah.
Hi guys, we have finished our solat. We have completed our solat dekat nearby mosque. Now we are heading to Fabric Market. And then after that, kalau sempat, leather mall, leather staff mall. And then kita nak ambil barang dekat Kimbo tadi. Lepas tu kita gerak balik. And then just now food tadi banyak, so we pack. And inside here, so it's gonna be our dinner. Dinner is settled. See you guys at the next destination.
Kita dah dalam train from Guangzhou to Shenzhen on the way balik. Oh, what a day. Really, from morning kita bangun kelang kabut, tiba-tiba dah sampai Guangzhou. Jalan pusing, and here we are in the train on the way back. The trip was fun. One day trip. Guangzhou is big, and I think macam travel intra-city tu macam cool gila. So like we wanted to do that as an experience, because like we did that for Kunming and it was fun. So we try here. How about you?
Guangzhou is fun because why Guangzhou? Because I've been listening to people going to Guangzhou, and I've been listening to Guangzhou stories. So finally macam I can put their stories into my eyes lah, macam tu. So it's fun, but I prefer Shenzhen kot sebab I think it's too crowded and the weather is quite hazy. Macam boleh rasa tau kat hidung you, macam udara dia tak bersih sangat.
That's I agree with that statement. Macam je hazy, macam more polluted than Shenzhen. I wouldn't say polluted lah. It's just hazy je lah. Macam even though there's a lot of electric everywhere, they use electric vehicles, but I think it's because the culture of smoking is pretty heavy ingrained in the society. So everyone is smoking every time. So you makan ke toilet ke kat dalam kedai aircon pun dorang isap rokok. Macam mana? Dalam mall. Oh yeah, okay. Dalam mall also dah isap rokok. I mean, I think the first 1 or 2 stories they don't do that, but once you get to the 3rd or 4th, dah relax je, lepak je. Kedai dorang kan, suka hati dorang lah, isap rokok je. And then I think about the personal space, I think our encounter about personal space, they don't, not say they don't respect, dorang tak ada personal space practice. So it's like we were standing at one spot waiting for TT. So then suddenly someone just came up to us, like probably a shoulder away, start smoking over there. Padahal kat situ tak ada orang pun isap rokok. So it's like, like they don't respect that. First, you are not smoker, you don't smoke there, you are just standing there and you are not smoking. So why would you smoke there? You go smoke dekat orang yang smoke lah, atau you diri far away from someone who don't smoke, So so once you are here, orang kata masuk kandang lembu you moo, masuk kandang kambing you mengemek. Betul? So just bear with it.
Kita seorang je dekat dalam.
Anyway, kita kat first class coach I think, and then ada 2 section. So the first 4 rows one section, habis tu ada pintu. Then after that, the rest of the first class punya what's that, seats. So dalam this section kita 2 orang je. Macam you nak main-main ke golek pun boleh lah. Tapi dah penat sangat lah. Maybe hopefully the massage place dekat dengan kita punya hotel tu masih buka. Our ETA to Shenzhen is about 1 hour. So hopefully we can reach Shenzhen by 11:30 reach hotel, and dorang masih buka, so that we can massage. I don't know. Okay, see you tomorrow. Take care.